some folks, I had a call to Colombia, South America, talking about buying our tools. And they're like, man, your tools are a little more expensive than these guys. And I said, hey, lower your price. It said, wait. We're not going to lower our price at all for you guys. Why? Because these housings were tested with a half-ton truck driving over top of it. Okay? You take our competitors and you drive over their housings, their tool with a half-ton truck, watch what happens. Oh, and you want to take it in for repair? You want to mill it and get it repaired? Huh. Watch what happens. Oh, no can do. It's a throwaway tool. You got to buy a new one. Huh? That doesn't make any sense. So, anyways, take care of these. They'll last you your lifetime, your entire career. Take care of them.